Cause me a Portmore, so I have a big up my lady Spice. I have a big up Tifa, cause me and I locked down Cayman Islands just a week ago. But ladies and gentlemen, Rumbar Road Flex has gone for the best. They have brought to you tonight Ioctane. They have brought to you Richard Spice. They have brought to you Louis Culture. They have brought to you Spice. You get a little incentive where Jabrooks came and performed. But Lightman, I want you to lock off the lights right now. Because I am not under the influence of rum by rum, because I the only rum when make you drink and stagger. It make you nice and swagger. So right now, rum by Road Flex, are you ready for the international mama of the dancehall out of Portmore, St. Catherine? Make some noise for Lady Mama Song!
You look like you run out of energy when you call me. I want to you. Fatty pop you down. Sensitivity. How you doing? You know alright? You never drink too much, you know. You drink from night. Hey, we big up drop the bass. You don't know where the work you know. Me don't know what I'm to some girl from where the year. Me don't know what to do. Who ready? What are you ready? Alright, our time for what? I put a what do some y'all. Tell me what do some y'all. I put a what do some y'all. Some pop y'all. Boy, I put a what do some y'all. Come and talk about that when them are big green and the baggy wash. I want do some y'all. Come and talk about was when they blue like shit when they put out a road. I want do some y'all. Come and talk about when everybody in the damn neighborhood. I want do some y'all about my thing down. Y'all stop the reason about the F up. I want do some y'all. I put a what do some y'all. Tell me what do some y'all. Mama ask them some drop the bass. I put a who tell she says she pretty. I put a who tell she says she nice. I wish fool tell she that she's all that I must matter one or put a hype. I put a who tell she says she fabulous. I put a who tell she says she fly. I wish fool tell she tighter than me. Me I feel like I want to stop. We're ready for work now. Get to the thing. Whatever. He said, me want to wake up and ask what you want here. See them argue over that when they are share. See them are worry about the next year. We are in a you can't let me see them getting around here. So let me sorry for this when them are beer. But that girl from your conscience clear. See the one you love make me hear. Man and the least so we so we let we too cute to mix up and blend. So tell that girl she we stretch free, we don't need no excitement. Don't give a free and no man on them beside them. Some girl a hype on me, some man a hide them. No fright girl, them no hot man no ride them. We too rich we argue with bitch. We too nice we eat a top five. We too hot another girl no like them. Everybody sing we up. Right? When we go shopping we don't look on the price. When girl a struggle for years we get it in a one. We overbook right now. And all the advice come off from me and come tight. I'm an half ask. Nothing no wrong with doing so. Wallet. Nothing no wrong with doing so. If me and a man pull up, it's not right here. It's simply because men are nymphomaniacs. They can't help themselves when it comes to the vagina. And I don't have a problem. I can't eat you about your vagina, girl. But I know say what? My one good. Never in a million years a boy can say, don't you so done. And never in a million years a boy can say, him no ball when him come. And never in a million years a boy can say, him no run this down. And never in a million years a boy can say, you know what can I say? Me say 44 but look it tighter than 16. Me money was a war no matter how much me give. Me no have a problem. Don't you so real clean. The best pussy me ever get ass when you see him. Me say, my mother dead but every day him tanker him say, Marian, if you look it was money me banker. Please don't give no other man or else me spanker. Me say stop. What nothing y'all are doing on me car? Never in a million years. But you know something? When me do it, me have to cool it with fan, cause it hurts so much like me Christian Louboutin. Enough y'all are hype on them car, all a man. Me nah say the next part, you understand? Alright, so the thing come now. Alright, we're ready for what now? Enough new thing there. But we not shut off the new thing them yet. Because the girl level it tight something. But some girls say they don't fight over man. But